guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Khushi. So today, like tomorrow is my birthday and I'm gonna make some cakes right now for my own birthday. And mom and dad told me not to make a cake and just order one cake, but I'm stubborn and I wanted to make my own cake. So I ordered this frosting cast decoration kit. I didn't order, means I went and I bought it because I'm a mad creature. And then for the batter, I took some Oreos, like a normal chocolate Oreo, and just I'm removing the Oreo biscuits away from the cream, apart from the cream or whatever you want to call it. So just see. So as you can see, it's like a normal Oreo. I'm just gonna twist it, and the part which doesn't have cream goes in back, and the part which has cream, I'm going to take a butter knife and then just whoop, there you go. I'm just going to do with all 5 pack of Oreos like that big. So it's going to take a while, so I'm not going to bore you while showing you the time lapse. So just we'll meet you when it's over. Bye. So guys, okay, excuse the camera, it's so blurry. Okay, my hands were bad. So what I did is I grinded the Oreo biscuits and I added milk and I made it into a nice batter. Do not forget to put baking powder in it, and the cream which I put milk in it and I thickened it up with a little bit corn flour. So I just letting it cool down. And the first batch which I was making is the sugar free one because I want to make one. And so I've put some salt. Excuse that's gonna happen so many times because my hands are greasy. I was just greasing the tin, but I forgot to shoot. So here it's on medium gas. So I've put a little bit of salt, khane ka namak, and then I've greased the tin very अच्छे से with oil. Then I've put the butter paper on it, and then I put the batter and then just put it there for 15 minutes. And now watch me grease this tin. So as you can see, I am greasing it like normal, the down part first, only the down. Now I'm going to take some normal butter paper. It's just like normal plain butter paper, and it is supposed to be, it's supposed to be like a little bit bigger. So I'll just place it and then I'll just press it down. And then I'm going to, using the fingers, and I'm going to just apply it on the corners, edges, everywhere. It will look like this now. And now on top of this also, I'll apply a little bit more oil so the cake will come out and it won't have any magajmari left. Now I'm applying it on the corners also, so the corners also will come out easily. So this is grease. Now this is the batter which I have made. Now I just put a little bit more milk in it. So this is the milk, about that much, a little bit more, because I felt that the batter was a little bit too stiff. So here I added more milk and I'm gently folding it. Now slowly I'm mixing it, as you can see. I'm going very slowly. Now I added more milk, so I'm going to put more baking powder in it. About that much, like one pura pinch. Why does it happen? Never mind. Now I'm going to mix this in. So the batter is ready, as you all can see, and I'm going to put it aside, and then I'm going to put it in. Then gonna put the rest. So I'm making a 2-layer cake. There you go. Now I'm gonna tap it off again. So the air bubbles are out. Now I'll put this for baking and see you guys later. So guys, a quick backstory. The next clip which you're gonna see is that I'm preparing for the decoration as cake is already made. So yeah, just watch it. So guys, इतने balloons फुलाए हम लोगों ने. मतलब most of them my sister only blew. 1 or 2 I helped, and there are so many balloons left yet, and this pump is not much use of. और हाँ, ये नए सोफे पे ना हमने ये लगाई है cover so that it looks like that, if you wonder, so that the sofas doesn't get kharab. Gujarati family. And I'm blowing the balloons now. She's going to buy me a gift and she's not even, I mean, she's telling me I'm buying this and she's going.
Yeah, obviously.
Then what surprise you're giving me?
I'm not giving you a surprise, I'm giving you a gift.
It means you have to give me a surprise.
Who cellulite?
Fairy light.
Fairy light. How should I get cellulite? That's a disease.
Shut up.
Not even a disease.
Shut
It's
up.
like a skin wrinkling thing.
Shut up.
You get on your butt.
Shut
you have
up.
it on your butt. Cellulite.
Shut up and bend over, Tara. Stop.
What do you want a Shezwan roll? Like not that one, the pav wala. That we get in that for 20 rupees.
I've never tasted that.
Huh?
I've never tasted
You want
that.
to taste?
No. My gala is kharab.
Not yummy. It's garam.
But still very good.
I don't know. I'm gonna
So guys, now this t-shirt was Netra's and she never wore it. I'm like, just give it to me. And now this has become one of my favorite t-shirt. I literally wear it every other day after it comes from the wash, right?
She doesn't have anything else to wear. Yeah, now you can see my picture.
I literally love this top and this only pant I wear with this.
Yeah.
Or else I wear a shorts.
She's mad.
Then this is like my uniform.
Yeah, it's like she's in school.
Yeah, this is my uniform every day, wala. A cool uniform. Like it's
No,
not.
it's a home uniform for her.
Yeah. Like
Whenever she's घर पे, she'll wear this.
I love it so much. Okay, so bye now.
She's
See you
gonna wear
later.
this tomorrow also as bag. Or the grey goddamn pant.
Yeah, grey pants. Okay, bye.
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Khushi. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Put this happy birthday. Papanya,
Kaya popcorn mo muna.
Mama niya.
Kaya popcorn mo.
फोटो काढू का अच्छा वो आप ले लो
Lay low.
लिया वीडियो
Wala na ba ito?
अब मैं ले रही हूँ फोन पारिस की जो ना वो दिखेगी
So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this chota sa Ajeeb Garib vlog and I love you all. Bye. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Bye.